What up, YouTube? Got a rolling chassis. Dom 70 Chevelle convertible. If you've watched the last video, you've seen I noticed he had a bent frame and it was actually twisted. Also said that the rear end was actually, the tubes were actually upwards, so it was actually bent. His old tranny that he had a big old crack on it. Well, this is all brand new now. Start from the back. Got the new frame to the car, I would say. This is a speedtech box kit that got done to it, so it actually makes it even more stronger, more rigid, more durable than that convertible Chevelle frame. Rear end actually got straightened out. You see where they got welded here. Tubes got straightened out, recentered, welded up fully, powder coated black, and a whole new unit inside. It's running 355s, Detroit True Track, hose recover. His existing Global West is all on, we swapped over, so that's all on now. We did stainless steel hard lines. So it's all ready to go back here. And then we did stainless steel lines, 3/16 all the way up to the front. Billet clamps terminated to the top, that goes to the master. So this junction for the front, wraps around, bottom comes this side. And then we also did fuel line. So this fuel line, stainless steel that we bent to, billet clamps, that's gonna get terminated. We'll end up mounting this to the body. We measured it out, so one line will go to the fuel tank with the ZL1 pump that we have going in there. And then the front, we got a 4L85E, brand new performance transmission. We painted black. And then we have the LSX 454 with the retro look. 627 horsepower. Made this intake. We made it to look like the LS6 dual snorkel. Actually welded both of them here. This is taped right now because I actually got to weld the lid to this bottom piece. So it's on for mock-up right now. And then the LSX block comes orange, but we end up painting the whole thing orange so it'll match, because it's a very hard orange to match. So it's all painted together. Chevy orange. Single plane intake with the fuel rails, Holly. Big block valve covers. Coil packs are actually inside. So it's gonna look pretty cool when it's in the car. These are by Don Hardy. Had a couple people ask on my Instagram. So Don Hardy makes these and sells these. These are actually real big block valve covers. They're actually shortened, welded up, and then re-chromed, so they're by no means cheap at all. Back to front accessories. We like to run all of our builds. And Global West in front as well. And I believe these are billet specialties he had on the car previously already. On some needle tires. But this is the rolling chassis. So we're gonna get this off to the body shop where they are finishing up the car actually already. The car got new quarter panels, some patch panels on the inner fenders. Actually not patch panels, I would say, but straightened out. The previous shop, they had new fenders installed, but they kind of bulged them out. So that got all repaired. It got primered twice already, and it's basically ready for the next block and paint. So this is going up next. So I'll take you guys over there and let you guys see the process of that, and stay tuned for the next one coming with this one going together. We should have a next video with the painted chevelle on this chassis.